Welcome to Dim Tips, the channel that revives, repairs and restores. Today what I've got is a leaking tap, and I'm going to go through the quick hack in regards to reduce the drip on the tap as well as how to actually fix it. So first thing I'm doing is literally closing off the water supply. What I want to do is, while I'm changing anything or looking at the cartridge and trying to fix it, want to drain all the water and make sure first of all that all the supply is stopped. What I've done is I'm just now opening up the tap and making sure that all the water has actually drained from the system. You'll see that I've got Allen key, because what we're going to do is we're going to look at the cartridges that are part of this particular tap, and we are going to remove them and have a look at how bad the lime scale is and see what we can do about that. You can see on the right hand side there's quite a bit of lime scale build up, and what I've done is I've already opened up each of the heads slightly so that it's a little bit easier, but in essence just unlock them using the appropriate Allen key. You'll find that it's probably quite small when removing the particular tap end for the specific cartridge, and you can see all the lime scale there. So you just pull them out once the Allen key screw is unlocked, and that will now show you the cartridge. Some taps and faucets actually have quite a bit of a deep view in regards to really saying deep nut to really get in. So what I find is that having a socket set which is quite deep, like the one that I've got here, it's actually an impactor one, makes life a little bit easier. Really probably struggle with a spanner, but some people you can get away with it if it's exposed and you're able to get to it, but more likely than not when you're working with these types of faucets and taps, you're going to have something that requires a bit of a deeper socket. So what I've done is I've taken out the hot one. The hot one's normally marked in red, and the blue one, which are not showing on camera, is the cold one. I'm not sure if there is actually a specific difference between the two, i.e. the hot one is able to handle the heat a little bit more. But in essence, I do keep it to the same convention. What I've done is I've also taken off the neck, and then I've just soaked these in vinegar. Now this is my quick hack and solution, just keeping it in some vinegar and some boiling water and then replacing them. My cartridges hadn't arrived, and this method has helped me in the past. In essence, it allows you to kind of get away with a less leaky tap, and I find that it's quite effective until your cartridge come. What I needed to do was just check out the specific size, and while I was doing that I just made sure to kind of clean it in vinegar and some boiling water. What I've done is I've also cleaned the neck, making sure that there was less lime scale around it. Just using a bit of vinegar and some hot water. You can use Viacal, but prefer not to do that or use that against any kind of drinking water. So I find that vinegar is just a safe option. What I'm doing now is just reinstalling them after a soak in vinegar. Eventually I did actually end up replacing the cartridges. You can buy them from various shops. eBay seemed to work really well. Your local suppliers, they should have them as well. You can see that I also soaked and scrubbed the actual tap levers, because yeah, just easier to do so when they've taken off. In essence, now just putting them back on, going to now get the Allen key, make sure that the nut is now secure. As I was just showing on camera before, make sure that they're lined up prior to doing so. All fixed and resolved. Hope this video helps, and please feel free to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.